Let's talk about raw logs data table. This is a data table of your live stream logs without any pre-moderation or post-moderation, and it is very handful, first of all, for quick reaction if something is wrong, and you are able to eliminate it really quickly. So we need to add some fake filters. It is done because of productivity needs, and let's say URL is absolute, and we need to apply this filter so to get some data. And there are more than 42 millions of items here in this data table. So these are all the actions of bots, of users. So the log files which consists of all these actions here. The first thing what I see here is loading time. There is a lot of lines, a lot of actions which have really extreme loading time. So I add the first filter, which is loading time is greater than, let's say, 20 seconds. And there are more than 90,000 items here with this huge loading time. We can also add the filter loading time greater than 1 second, and actually this also is not really optimal for the bots, and we see that there is a big amount of URLs we need to work on, and loading time at this particular case is really extreme situation. And again, you may export this list and give it to your developers for optimization. I want to stress your attention on this quick panel, which says that this filtered data table has this number of visits for the given period. The median of loading time is 1.5 seconds. How many visits were with 200 status code, with 300 status code, with 400 status codes, with 500 status codes. All of the data is clickable and you are able to look at them closer. You are able to check, let's say, the situations with 500 status codes. So you add another filter. Status codes is greater or equal to 500. And this is another exported file for your developers to work on it and to optimize the situation with it. Also, this data table is really handful for checking different categories of your website, how effective they are, and what is going on over there. And let's say we want to check what is going on with AMP pages. We know that these are specific pages and we want to know what is going on there with them. And we see how many items over here. We see also the loading time, the status codes of it. We can filter. And again, add additional filters for loading time, for status codes, and to export the filtered lists of these problematic URLs and to give it for developers for optimization. One thing that I want to stress here is that all this data is within like Google search board, but it is desktop and mobile, or Yandex search, again desktop and mobile together. If you want to monitor your, let's say, Google mobile bot, you can add the filter, which is bot, and let's pick up the Google search mobile. So there are these 40 preset bots, and you may pick up any of them, apply the filter. Let's delete this AMP, and we want to watch all the data for Google search mobile. And we see again this quick panel, which is really informative. And I repeat that this is clickable. And here we are able to also filter this list and to add additional columns, which is really a lot of additional information you may delete or add some information you want to add. And here you will get concrete information by concrete search desktop bot or search mobile bot, and there are up to 40 of them. So it's everything for now. If there are any questions, please write to our support chat and we are happy to answer. Have a great day.